Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change your default zoom settings in Google Chrome. This is super useful if you find yourself constantly adjusting the zoom level on every web page you visit. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other, which is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's Settings page where you can customize how your browser works. The Settings page gives you control over everything from your home page to privacy options and, most importantly for this tutorial, your display preferences. Once you're in the Settings page, look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu with several categories. Find and click on Appearance. This section controls how Chrome looks and displays content, including themes, font sizes, and zoom levels. It's where all the visual customization options live. Now scroll down through the appearance settings until you find an option labeled Page Zoom. This setting determines the default zoom level for all websites you visit in Chrome. It's a really handy feature because it means you won't have to manually adjust the zoom every single time you open a new web page. Next to Page Zoom, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to reveal all the available zoom level options. You'll see various percentages ranging from smaller sizes like 75% all the way up to larger sizes like 200% or more. From this drop-down, select the zoom level that works best for you. For example, if you want larger text and images, you might choose 175%. Click on your preferred percentage to set it as your new default. This will now be the baseline zoom level for all your browsing. To test that your new default zoom is working properly, open a new tab in Chrome. Now try adjusting the zoom level manually by holding down the Control key on your keyboard and scrolling your mouse wheel up or down. You'll see the page zoom in or out as you scroll, moving away from your default setting. Here's where you can see your default setting in action. While still on that zoomed page, look at the top of your browser window. You'll notice a reset button appears when you've manually adjusted the zoom. Click this reset button, and Chrome will immediately return the page to your default zoom setting, which in this case would be 175% or whatever percentage you set earlier. And that's it. You've successfully changed your default zoom settings in Google Chrome. Now every new page you visit will automatically load at your preferred zoom level, making your browsing experience much more comfortable. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.